Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Samantha and I go by Thrifty on a Dime on all my social media platforms. I talk all things reselling, whether it be online as well as in person. So be sure you do hit that subscribe and bell icon to be alerted when I put out new content. And if you're not new, welcome back guys. Thank you for showing up. I purchased from a new company called Kosei, Threads, I believe is how you pronounce it. And they just changed their name to Helpsy. Basically, they've been sending me all kinds of notifications, and really, I just wasn't enticed to buy the price per item. So then I got a notification one day for Men's, Vince, Theory, and Everlane, and I was like, okay, those are three good brands. I don't have a whole lot of men's. Okay, I'll try it. But it was 40 items for like $300 or something like that. So basically it equated to $7.31, whatever, however much that was per item, which was kind of high, I felt like, for used clothing for me personally, considering I can get it much cheaper. But knowing it was all going to be those brands in a box, I figured, hey, why not try it? So I want to share what I got with you guys and see if it was worth my money, and maybe I'll buy from them again or not. So let's do it. So I had to do this as a voiceover simply because my kids were home on the holiday and it was craziness in here. But yes, this is a pair of Everlane. It was a really good pair of denim. It was in good condition. I don't know about men's Everlane jeans, but I guarantee that's an easy $20 to $30 flip all day. Everlane dress pants. I'm not too keen on dress pants, but honestly, men's is where it's at. I do fairly well with men's dress pants for sure. I thought I saw a flaw, but I didn't find any. It just like a little bit of lint and maybe some steaming that needs done with them. This next one is a Theory blazer, and before I didn't really get happy about finding men's blazers in boxes, but honestly the blazers do really well. Better than dress pants for me, and they're higher flips, so this could be a good one. I will run all comps before listing these just because I am not familiar with, again, men's Theory, Everlane, or Vince. So just to become familiar and know exactly what I should price these at, I will Google it. This next piece was in Everlane uniforms. I'm not sure, is that like their lower end of Everlane, kind of like the department brand store or something? Let me know in the comment section. And another pair of Everlane dress pants in a navy color. Hopefully all these sizes are good. I probably wouldn't have put this sticker on the clothing like they did just because I feel like that residue might leave something. Hopefully it doesn't though. Another pair of Everlane jeans, and it looks like these might be the same wash as the other pair. Definitely looks like a sought after style, so that's a good thing. And another Everlane uniforms top. This one is kind of like a gray, kind of navy blue, just plain Jane long sleeve t-shirt. Pair of Theory dress pants. I've never gotten Theory dress pants, so hopefully they do well. Black is so boring, but then again, you know, black sells and it's a good style, so that's all that matters. This pair of Everlane jeans was super heavy duty and very well made. It was Everlane uniforms again, so hopefully they will do well as well. It's a good color of denim and it's a good style. Theory dress pants, and this is like a grayish black color, and again a nice style of cut. This was my first Vince piece in this box, but it is just a button down. It's definitely in style for fall, so that's awesome. Then this next piece is another Theory one, but it honestly looks super dated or faded, one or the other. I'm still going to try to sell it as long as there's no other flaws, but yeah, I'm definitely going to list that, you know, it's a little bit worn. And another Vince piece. I feel like they just grabbed like a handful of Vince and just was like, boop, just popped it in there, and that was all they put in this box. Which, I mean, I'm not mad at it. I feel like Vince isn't as good as Everlane, but maybe it is. I don't know. Men's, again, I'm so not familiar with, but this is another pair of Vince kind of like dress denim pants. I don't know what you would call those. They're not quite jeans, but yeah. This was me reading the label because I had forgotten what exactly I had paid for the box, and it was on that. Another Everlane piece, and this is actually a good color. It was surprisingly different from all the other pieces, thankfully. It'd be nice if they were new with tags, and then I could just list multiples in different sizes, but they're not, so you have to list every one individually. This is another pair of Everlane black denim jeans, and they are like more of a skinnier fit. Theory dress pants, these definitely looked kind of dated or maybe just a little bit faded from washing as well. So hopefully they'll still sell. Just a plain Jane Vince black shirt. Hopefully these staple pieces at least get me $12 to $15. I'd be great if more, but at least that. Another Vince piece. This is a great style and color for fall, so I think it will do well. Next one is a Theory piece again. I don't know, it kind of just looks older to me, but maybe not. And here we go with another Everlane sweater. It's like an olive green color. It's kind of pebbled. It's super cute. I'm really hoping these aren't like all older styles because some of it looks older to me personally. This is just an Everlane button-down men's shirt. Obviously, it's men's. I don't know why I said men's, but yes, this is a men's shirt. Again, I really wish they didn't put sticker barcodes on every single item. I hope that residue does not stay on it. This is an Everlane pair of jeans. It looks the same as the other style, so we shall see. So it's looking like predominantly this is going to be Everlane pieces. This next piece is another Everlane button-down men's. Perfect fall one for sure. Now I just hope Everlane and men's holds its value better than Theory and Vince, and most of this is Everlane. And here we go with another Theory pair of men's dress pants. These were black. I know the light kind of washes them out a little bit, but they're a great style, so fingers crossed. This is a full zip Theory sweater. It's in a great gray color, but unfortunately the tag is kind of hanging. I don't think that's going to matter much, but it's a great item, especially being a full zip. So pretty much all of this box is dress clothing in men's, which is fine. This is a Theory long sleeve button down. That's an excellent color, honestly, especially for fall and winter. This is just a plain Jane Vince piece. Again, I'm hoping to get 12 to 15 from these just plain ones. Hopefully, because, you know, $7.31 per item is a lot. This is a pair of Vince pull-on dress pants. These were in really good condition, if not new. I'm not sure if that was the original tag or not on it. And these were actually new with tags, Everlane. I wish there was more that were new with tags in this box, but I will take it for sure. These Vince shorts definitely look like they're dated. I'm still going to try to sell them, obviously, but yes. And I don't even know if those are men. Those kind of look like Bermuda shorts for women, so we'll have to just see. This is another Theory flannel button down. Again, great print for fall, so I got to get these bad boys up ASAP. Here's another pair of Everlane dark wash denim. Again, it's kind of the skinnier leg, so it's a really good style, as well as color, I do believe, so hopefully it's a great size. And another kind of flannel, brown flannel button down by Everlane. Again, got to get these bad boys up ASAP. Here we go with another Everlane button-down top. It's kind of like a chambray color, a light kind of denim color. I don't know how to explain it. And we got a Theory button-down shirt here. I don't feel like this is the best color. Hopefully I'm not missing any stains because I feel like when I flipped it to the back, I saw one, but we shall see. Then another pair of Everlane dress pants in a great style. So many dress clothes, please be worth it. Next ones is Everlane navy shorts. I don't know if these are women's Bermudas or they are truly men's. I will find out when I look at the tag a little deeper. Then you have this Gravince button-down shirt. It's in really good condition also. So far, everything has pretty much been in good condition, minus a few that were a little bit faded. So that's great to maximize my money. This next one is a pair of Theory dress pants, and they're in great condition also. Kind of the skinnier leg. Then another pair of Theory dress pants. Then after that is a Theory button-down shirt. It's kind of like a navy color. Again, all these items were in really good condition. Only one item was new with tags, which is fine. I'm about to count them all, and it ended up being 41 items, which is great because that means I got an extra item. But again, don't forget, some of those Theory shirts were definitely washed out, so I'm going to have to put that in the description, which will bring down the value tremendously. So again, it ended up being 41 items for $300. It equated to like $7.31 per item. I do think this box was worth it. It's going to take a little bit to recoup my money since it was a higher investment per item than I normally do. Will I buy it again? I don't know. Maybe. I don't feel like this is the best company if you are trying to buy at a lower cost per item. I feel like there's companies like ThredUp. I feel like you get better quality items. You just don't always know what's in their rescue boxes. So you just got to kind of figure out what is going to be for your business model. I hope this video helped you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry I had to do it this way, but as always, have a wonderful day.